everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine? Very nice. I am also fine. Thank you. So, I hope you do your studies. Yes or no? Yes. Very nice. Those are doing very nice, and those are not doing, please do your studies because your exam is coming. Yes. Your main exam is also only 1 month okay left. So please please do your classwork in your and please see your online classes, okay, for all the subjects. Okay, now which period is going on? Subject math. Okay, in math subject we have done number names, okay, from 11 to 20. So today again we write the spellings from 11 to 2020. Okay, are you ready? So first we write the spelling from 1 to 10, then write the spelling from 11 to 20. Okay, so are you ready for writing? Very good. Take out your math notebook and start with me. First write 1 to 10, then write 11 to 20. Okay. First write the spelling, write down the heading number names. Number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, N-A-M-E-S, number names from 1 to 20. Today we write the spelling from 1 to 2020. So let's start. Take out your math notebook. Write number 1. Tell me what is the spelling of number 1? O N 1. O-N-E-1. Okay. Then after number 1, which number will come? After number 1, which number will come? Write here 2, slipping line, and write T-W-O 2. Write fast. Write here 1, then write number 2. After number 2, write here number 3. What is the name of number 3? Tell me. You know all the spelling from 1 to 10. So please tell me what is the name of number 3. T H R double E 3. T H R double E 3. Then write number 4. What is the name of number 4? F O U R 4. Write number 4. F O U R 4. Then after 4, write number 5. Number 5 here, slipping line, and write the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E. 5. This is number 5. After number 5, write number 6 here. The name of number 6, tell me. 6, slipping line, S-I-X. 6. The number is 6. Write first 1 to 5, then write number 6. Okay, after number 6, write down number 7. Yes, write here number 7. Tell me the name of number 7. S E V E and N. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay, write again and again so you learn the spelling. You all know the spelling from 1 to 10. So please write again and again and learn the spelling from 1 to 10. Okay. So after number 7, which number will come? After 7, 8 number will come. Slipping line. E I G H T. 8. This is number 8. Okay, so write number 8. After number 8, write number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. The number is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Okay, and last, number 10. So write from 1 to 10. Fast. Write fast all the numbers from 1 to 10. And tell me what is the after number of 10. First you complete all 1 to 10, then write the spelling of next numbers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, then write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number names. Number names means spelling of the number. Don't say only number, you say the spelling of the number. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, like this. Okay. So number names means spelling of the number. Not only numbers, okay, spelling of the numbers. Like O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9 and T-E-N 10. These are the number names. number 10, which number will come? After 10, 11 will come. So write number 11 in your notebook. Write here number 11. 1, 1, 11. And write the name of the number 11. What is the name of number 11? Write down the spelling. E L E V E N. 11. E L E V E N. 11. Write the spelling of 11. Then after number 11, which number will come? 1 to 12. So write here the name of number 12. 1 to 12. What is the name of number 12? T W E L V E. 12. The number is 12. T W E L V E. 12. After number 12, next number is 13. Slipping line. And what is the name of 13? T H I R. T double E N. Write the spelling of 13. T H I R T double E N. 13. Write down 13. Okay, then 13. After 13, which number will come? 1, 4, 14. So write here 1, 4, 14. The name of number 14. How to make? Yes, you know how to make number 14. First, you see the spelling of 4. Where is number 4? Here. So first, you write the spelling of 4. Write fast. Okay, so write here F O U R. Now we add T double E N. So add T double E and 13. Sorry, 13 after 14. 14. Write down 14, number name 14. After 14, which number will come? Yes. Now you write the spelling of 15. F-I-F and add T-double-E-N. So write here F-I-F T-double-E-N. 15. Okay, so spelling of 16. Okay, I am writing here 16 to 20 here because there I have no space. So write here 16, 1, 6, 16. First, to write the spelling of 6. S-I-X. Now add T-E-E-N. T-E-E-N. 16. So 16. 16. Then after 16, which number will come? 17. How to make the spelling of 17? Tell me. Yes, write down the 17. First, we write the spelling of 7. So, write here 7, S-E-V-E-N, and then add T-E-E-N. 17. Okay. Now, how to write spelling of 18? You see 17 on the board. Wait. Write here 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. So you see the spelling of 17? Yes, follow from the board. Now 18. How to spell 18? First you write the spelling of 8. Okay, write one block. E-I-G-H-T. Write the spelling of 8 and then add E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. After 18, which number will come? 19. How to spell? First, you write the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. You write in one block. Okay, one letter in one block. I have no space, that's why I am write like this, but you write in blocks. Okay, in your math notebook, one letter in one block. And at last 20. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-5. 20. Okay, so you know all the number names from 1 to 20. Now you daily practice from all the number names from 1 to 20. Okay, so many practice from my side, but now you practice for your side also. Okay, I'm not write in again and again, but you write again and again all the number names from 1 to 2020. Okay, so you understand what is your classwork. You write down number names from 1 to 20. Okay, so in your homework you learn the spelling, and your classwork you write the spelling in your math notebook. Okay, so write fast all the number names. After 15 you write 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so now your lecture is over. Now bye and have a nice day, and please do your classwork and your homework. Okay, so bye and take care.